Welcome back to Voyagers from your cold day. It wasn't even a snow day. It was pretty brutal cold out there yesterday. Hopefully you guys stayed warm. Today is the 22nd of January 2019. Weather, high temperature today 29, low temperature of 27. It's actually going to get warmer as the day goes on. It says 25% chance of rain or snow. Depending on which app you look at, that was from AccuWeather. Weather.com says like 90% chance of rain and snow over the night. Supposed to get kind of dicey this evening, so if you're going anywhere with your parents or anything, please make sure that you are staying safe. Our PBIS expectation this week is the bus. They didn't have a Bitmoji of the bus, so I got myself and a dog in the car, so close enough. Make sure you're staying seated at all times. Keep your body inside the bus. Keep those windows closed right now. It's brutal cold out there. Keep your feet on the floor and report all problems to your bus driver. Responsible on the bus means that you're walking to the bus when it has stopped, especially on days like today when there is ice out there. That bus may have a hard time stopping. Between you and the bus wins. Keep your backpack in your lap and your voice level of a 1 on the bus. And then being respectful means keeping your hands and feet to yourself. And for the bus drivers, please make sure that you're putting all your food and your drink in your backpack before entering the bus. They got to clean their bus after you guys get off, so try to make sure that you're being respectful to them and making sure that that bus is clean. Staff announcements. Following the announcements about 8:30, I need the following students to come down to the cafeteria. Aiden Holcomb, Andre Harris, Amelia Williams, Tyler Huckatee. I'm sorry, Tyler. Caden Martin, Meyer Moore, and Isabella Coleman. We need each one of those students to come down to the cafeteria at approximately 8:30 this morning. Lunch. Today we're looking at a happy hamburger on a whole grain bun, mini sweet potato puffs, crunchy baby carrots, and some fresh fruit. And tomorrow we're looking at some pepperoni pizza pinwheel or mozzarella pinwheel, green peas, strawberry kiwi, frozen sorbet. Easy to say, right? Cup and crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements. This Friday is a half day for students. BLT is meeting tomorrow at 7:15 in the collaboration space. We have moved our Martin Luther King Jr. Day celebration to next Wednesday, which is January 30th. We're going to keep that at 8:30. Our speaker, Pastor Brown, is out of town until Tuesday morning, so she wanted to reschedule that, and we wanted to keep her as our speaker. All right, and finally, our Pledge of Allegiance. Our question for today: this flag is celebrating something in the United States. What is it celebrating? First student from each grade level to come down gets Anchor Bucks. All right, stand up for the pledge. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!